from 2006. Here's the Smart Shopper grocery list organizer. It prints out your grocery list, errands, and things like that. Uses voice recognition. It's from Smart Shopper. And smartshopperusa.com, I checked that site and it doesn't seem to have anything to do with this particular device anymore. It's some type of generic reviews site for things. So it's no longer valid in that sense. Lets you just say it, print it, go get it. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Have a couple of warranty things. Pretty much standard fare. Register your device. And a booklet of like 2,500 things that are programmed into its database that will your voice will recognize. Nice packaging. Here's the device itself. You notice there's already something on the screen, and it always has something on the screen. It's not, the screen is never really blank. It's backlit and on when you say something. So what you print is going to come out here. A help button, print button, your record button, your screen. Up and down on the menu list, you'll see that in select. There's a little place here for 2 screws to hang on your wall. And there's 4 AA's in there. In the box we've got a couple extra rolls of printing paper and some little attachments for screws for your wall. I thought it might be magnetic to put on your refrigerator, but it isn't. Here's the instructions. It's pretty simple. You'll go through a menu of things after you say them and it recognizes your voice. You select them, you can select how many you want, you can add a coupon, things like that. It's pretty user-friendly. There's also a way to modify and edit items to make them more friendly for your voice, I guess. And it, like I say, gives you that big book to look over. And that's how you drop the paper in. Pretty simple. So let's try this. Getting some glare off the light there. So right now it says empty list, and the light will come on when I start talking. I guess in 2006 the iPhone hadn't been invented yet, and if you didn't like to use paper and pencil, which to me is logical, if you had too many things to remember, Also at the time there were PDAs. I mean, those had grocery list organizers, but true that you did have to go through and click off all the boxes for your grocery list. Then of course you had to sync and connect to your computer to print out. So this could have had a little simpler effect back in the day. So let's see. Apples. And that's what I want. It's interesting how it gives you several different items to choose from always. So we'll select it. Now let's say I want to change a quantity and I don't know how many I'll get. So we can select apples again. We can delete it, or we can change the quantity. Record for units. Let me press the help screen here just to see how that works in the screen. So this tells you how to change the quantity. Bag. So just pressing record changes the quantity. Beer. Oops. Beer. It also has a list of errands in the booklet, like post office, attorney. Huh. Somebody to the lawyer. Work gloves. AA batteries. Cereal. Wanted to add a coupon. So it's added a coupon. If you want to add something to the list that's not in the book, that can be done. Change the quantity, add, remove coupon. Library management. Oh, wait a minute, before we do that, let's go back to the settings menu. We haven't seen that yet, have we? You can adjust the contrast, mic sensitivity, or speaker volume. Now let's get back to the library management, see how to add an item that's not in their list of recognized voices. Add item to library. Let's get the help screen on that. Spell word with buttons or say letters and press select. I'm not going to go through adding an item, but that's how you do it. So we'll just say cancel. select that. So that's how you would add an item if you wanted to fight through all of that. And so when you finally have your list and everything's ready, got a coupon for cereal, we've got apples for 1 bag, a couple of errands and some other things. You press print. It's all there. Categorized and correct. So I guess you would take that to the store with you if you were so inclined. Well, that's been the Smart Shopper Grocery List Organizer from 2006. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.